The best way to make money online 2022. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's possible to even make more money than your actual job. You can generate and start making money from home and probably more than likely replace that. I'm going to go into my computer and then show you how you can start generating money very quickly, whether you go back to your job or don't go back to your job. So please subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification button so you'll be the first to know. The best way to make money online in 2022. Let me go ahead and just get going here by the first one, tutoring. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you three things that I really like. Then I'm going to show you why I like them and give you some information about them. The first one is called Cambly. The reason I like this one here is because some people think that they do need a degree to have or to be a part of this. They really don't. Now, why is this so important? Because right now in the United States, only in the United States, there is 30 million students out of school. But if you go worldwide during this lockdown, a lot of countries, other countries, they can't go to school. The second one I like to show you is this one, which is tutorme.com. These people, by the way, they are dying to hire somebody. Now, you probably wonder, well, how much do they pay? They pay anywhere between $12 an hour up to $30 an hour. It depends on you. As far as this one, Cambly, you don't need a degree. You can just go in and just talk to people because some people want to just learn conversational English in other countries or even in the United States. Okay, the third one is this one as well. Very similar. And you can see that right here said become a teacher. They are dying to have teachers. So this is a great way in case you want to do it full-time, part-time, but I can tell you this, never ever depend on the power of one. Don't just depend on that power of one, which is your job. Always have something on the side, preferably something you can do from home. And things in these days are changing tremendously. So this is a great opportunity. Okay, the second one that I want to show you, it's very important as well, and it's really growing. It's projected to be by year 2025, $325 billion industry, which is learning anything online, not necessarily something like math. I'm going to show you an example. A lot of people underestimate themselves and underestimate the internet because a lot of people think that you really have to have, some kind of a knowledge, great knowledge about, creating some kind of a course. You really don't. For example, this one is just about makeup, and she just sit there and she just put makeup. As you can tell here, she's putting makeup on herself. Well, guess how much she made? She had about 1,300 students, so she made close to about $14,000 just by doing this. And a lot of people start with something like this with their cell phone. You do have a smartphone, iPhone, and so forth. You can do that as well. Now, the other one is Teachable. Now, Teachable is a little bit different platform. Teachable actually give you a lot of leeway and they want you to succeed. And I'm going to go ahead and just show you something about this person right here. The one that sells the most are the one on the top. And he's been doing it for about 3 years. When you are on the internet, you are worldwide. So in the US alone, there's 380 million people. In English speaking countries, it's close probably to 800 million or maybe a billion people. Don't underestimate that. And from what I understand, in some of the courses that he had, over 1,000 people have joined. And if you just take one of the courses, let's go ahead and take the one for the 69, he made $69,000 just from one class. Let's say 4 classes, let's see, $276,000. And what's good about this is that you create it once and that's it. It keeps making the money. All right, the third one I want to talk to you about is affiliate marketing. Just in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically simple. It's just selling someone else's product. It doesn't matter what it is as long as you do it online. Then you would get a commission, which is part of the sale usually. Anywhere between 20% up to 80%. According to Business Insider, affiliate marketing is about $14 billion industry and it's growing by 10% yearly. So you're not interested in creating your own course, or you can just market someone else's and get a percentage of the sales price. Currently, it is one of the largest money making opportunities on the internet. A lot of the companies right now, instead of hiring marketing agencies and they have to pay them upfront, and they do advertisement for them online, they found it's much cost effective to have someone else like an affiliate going out there and marketing their product, and they only pay them when they make a sale. Next one we're going to talk about is freelancing. Before lockdown, the freelance industry was $1.4 trillion. It is in the way to tripling. Now, we already know that by year 2027, the majority of workers will be freelancers. So it'll exceed the people who are actually working for the company. But I think with this going on, this is going to speed it up much, much faster. So if you are thinking about doing that, this is the best time for you to go ahead and get going. This was a joint survey between Upwork and the Freelance Association. This is the top paying jobs. Okay, right now we're going to go ahead and talk a little bit about the tech industry. I'm going to go ahead and show you the top 10 highest paying tech skills. The first one is Bitcoin. They pay $215 an hour. Image object recognition, $180. And this is a good time to be in the tech industry. Number 5, which is IT. You really don't need any degree required at this point. And a lot of people right now are jumping into this because there's a tremendous amount of need right now, especially after the lockdown. A lot of companies want someone that knows about IT, and you don't need any type of education. Now, companies are actually in dire strait for people that are technical and they can do the job. They can care less about your 4-year degree. Okay, I'm going to talk to you about some stuff that you should stay away from creating a YouTube channel for now. For now, it's not. Yeah, it's good to have a YouTube channel. It's great, fantastic. But the thing is, it takes long. Why? Because you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. That takes time. You can do it, but that's going to take you time. The other one, some people are talking about Amazon affiliate. Now, we talked about how you can start affiliate marketing, which is really the best way. But some people are talking about Amazon affiliate course. The idea is Amazon affiliate. I never liked it before because I looked at the business model of it. It doesn't do well at all. It's not a good or a long term. The reason for that, recently they decided to slash the commission for affiliates. Now you can see publishers here. Publishers means affiliates. So when someone with affiliate marketing through Amazon make a sale, you can hardly get paid anything. Many affiliates no longer promote Amazon affiliates at all. So if you like this video, please subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification button so you'll be the first to know. Now make sure also to share this video with people that you care about, because changes are coming.